The X40 and 50 are for light machining, aluminum, very dynamic. The X70, like I said, it's the first one for heavy-duty machining. So, and this will be extended to an X80 and X90 and stuff, which are coming soon. We are already in the process, building prototypes in cabinets for machining even larger components, even heavier ones in the transportation, industrial sector, but also in the aerospace sector.
Jens, we're back on the Starrag booth, EMO 2025. Now, it's very familiar to what you had here 2 years ago, in my mind, the layout, the feel. You had a big machine here then. This is a world premiere, the Compact X70. What's different about it, Jens?
So thanks, Paul, for having us here. So what's new about this machine? It is the first machine which is for heavy-duty machining, stainless steel, titanium, everything for heavy-duty cutting. Not like the small series, X40 and 50. This is for real machining, heavy material, Inconel, tough material to machine it with our own in-house produced trunnion table. So it is a changer for ourselves, going away, getting the core components in-house, controlling everything quality, giving the customers the best from Starrag.
So tell me a little bit more about that sort of the heavy duty nature of it. I mean, you're very involved in the transport and industry sector. So is this where you kind of see a lot of the machining that's going to be done within industry on a machine like this?
Yes, it's definitely, we're talking about transportation industrial. So we're looking at agriculture, we're looking at engine cases, heavy duty machining, tight tolerances, a lot of weight on it, a lot of material to remove. And the trunnion table is a great solution for this one. Straight chip fall into the centralized chip conveyor, executed at the back. Heavy duty spindle on it, which we are what we're producing in house. So it's a great machine for agriculture, for heavy duty machining in the transport sector, as well as on the mining sector. Everything what needs heavy duty machining. That's the
because you got the full X40 and the 50 with the compacts that we originally know, like you mentioned at the start of that. So this is an extension of that. Will you go one bigger again in the future, do you think? Where does this end?
Yes, the X40 and 50 are for light machining, aluminum, very dynamic. The X70, like I said, it's the first one for heavy duty machining. So, and this will be extended to an X80 and X90 and stuff, which are coming soon. We are already in the process, building prototypes in cabinets for machining even larger components, even heavier ones in the transportation industrial sector, but also in the aerospace sector, for titanium machining, for landing gear components. So not only transportation industrial, the whole market, everything.
It's quite broad. You're actually cutting steel here as well, aren't you?
That's correct.
There's not many machines around the show that are actually in action. I guess you want to show it doing what it can do.
Exactly. We want to show it. Chips are flying around. Customer hearing the noise. Get the attentions of the customer saying this one. Look at this beast. Look at the power of it. What material removal rate you have. And what you can do with it in your own production. And get the customers to think about it. What could this machine do in my own production?